Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix dark mode on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. Since Snapchat has removed the app appearance setting on multiple countries and devices, you must find a different method to use dark mode on Snapchat. So go to your device settings and tap Display. Here, toggle on Eye Comfort Shield and tap on it. Next, tap Custom to adjust the shield and drag the indicator to suit your preference. This is not dark mode, but your eyes will be protected. And that's how you fix dark mode on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.